Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will learn to stop Roblox crashing. So if your Roblox is crashing consistently, the first thing you should do is go to the Windows icon and the power button, then restart the PC, and after restarting the PC most of your problems should solve. And if it has not solved yet, then go to the search panel and type Roblox player. Now click on open file location, then right click on Roblox player app, go to properties. Now in here go to the compatibility tab. From here disable full screen optimization and take run this program as an administrator. Now click on apply, hit OK. And now if you open Roblox player through the search panel, you will see that the Roblox player is running without any issue and the crashing is gone. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.